Welcome to Earth Navigator, the unique template and script for introducing your footage with a stunning animation of the Earth. With Earth Navigator, you can reach up to 10 different locations over the world. The functioning is very simple. You just have to type your coordinates, place your footages, and press a button. The final animation will be immediately created, ready for the export. But let me show you some features. With Earth Navigator, you can also choose to use a map instead of a footage. Click the map checkbox and select the level zoom. The script will automatically download and import the maps into your animation. Creating connections between your locations has never been so easy. Just click the checkbox and the script will do the rest. Earth Navigator also have an incredible tool, the Smart Rotation. This allows the script to calculate the shortest route for reaching the next point, and it does so by changing the rotation direction of the world. Everything automatic, fast and easy. Discover the full potential of Earth Navigator. Read the description below or watch the video tutorial for free.